Hello, Professor. This is Daniel Goodrum with my video 5 for my final project. Start off with game object lifestyle. So here I have my game object class, and in it I have my scene entry and scene exit, associated documentation showing how to get this stuff to go. Scene entry, scene exit. Um, and then I have my entry and exit commands, and then um, uh, making sure that the asserts are done correctly, and utilizing the registration broker. Pretty straightforward there. Um, I wanted to talk about my camera manager. I forgot to mention it when I might have mentioned it, but I forgot to look at it when I did my asset managers and stuff earlier. So I have a camera manager as a non-singleton. I have the one from earlier that's still a singleton, but this is the one that's used in my game currently. So pretty straightforward. I have it create a 2D camera and then like a standard camera on creation. Default camera, current camera, cam 2D. That's mainly used for the sprite class, which I'm going to talk about in a second. Uh, yeah, not a whole lot going on here. It's pretty straightforward. The my sprite class is here. Takes a model pointer, shader pointer, and image pointer. I know you had mentioned something about streamlining this because it's going to be using um, the same shader and image, or shader and model. I honestly just forgot about that until now. So, yeah, I'll do that later. But my copy constructors render, it's a 2D render, and I have it dealing with the camera itself. So when this is called, you don't have to pass in a camera. This pulls the camera directly from the camera manager on the current scene. You can rotate it, you can set the location, you can scale it, you can add a new camera if you want. I was never able to get the origin calculations figured out, so yeah, those aren't in here. Um, the These you go through the 2D manager, so it's exactly like the draw manager. It's just a drawable 2D setting. Um, my visualizer. Um, Here's my visualizer. It's a singleton. Has render B sphere, and then it uses a list, just goes through and processes everything. Um, the delete function goes through and deletes everything. Render B sphere, pretty straightforward. Show B sphere, same. This is just where it gets added to the B sphere list, and then visualizes all of them. It goes through and then deletes them after they're visualized. The math tools, I just have the one function so far, the intersect. It's a static bool using const refs, and straightforward. My colors are all static const vex. I actually forgot to document these. I will do that before I submit. And then some more documentation. Aside from everything that's been in the header files up to now, I also did this oxygen data, so it gives a little bit more. So this It's a little bit of information on how to do inputtables, alarmables, collidables, um, drawable 2Ds, and then a little bit on loading resources. Yeah. I'm gonna make one more video, and that'll be me going over the user code and showing you all that stuff that I did. Thank you so much.